All right, I know we're all feeling a little stressed from the holidays, so I thought we should do a tapping session. This will help you feel calmer, less stressed, more like yourself, and a lot more centered. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to start by tapping right here. This is going to help to release excess energy and emotion that's trapped in your body. Good. Right here, we're releasing grief, sadness, disappointment, heartbreak. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Just felt my shoulders relaxing. Take another deep breath in and out. We're going to go to the top of the head. Good. Here we're releasing excess thoughts, overthinking, worrying. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. Good. Here we're releasing excess frustration, anger. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. The holidays can certainly bring up all these emotions. Good. Just let it all go. Good. Love that. Outside the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This is where we're releasing frustration and anger. Good. And under the eye. This is where we're releasing control, trying to manage everything, everyone, all the emotions. Let it all go. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. When we learn to manage our emotions, everything becomes a lot easier. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So tapping right here is great for connecting the mind and the body. Under stress, we wind up disconnecting our brain from our body and thinking we can go in two different directions when we really can't. Take a deep breath in and out. Oftentimes the mind is in the future and the body's in the present moment, and it's not working. Take a deep breath in and out. Letting all that go. Yeah. Let's go under the lip. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So this energy is from when we were biting our tongue and not saying the things we wanted to say. Maybe we said yes instead of no. Maybe we talked poorly to ourselves. Let's let all that go. Good. Tap it right out. Take a deep breath in and out. Tapping helps to decrease cortisol levels, which is the number one reason why we do this. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. When we are tapping, we are getting into the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps us to rest, digest, and heal. So many people do this before bed to help them sleep better, get better rest. And a lot of people do this to calm their anxiety. Good. And it even helps with depression. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Right here, we're releasing excess energy around fear. Good. You should be feeling the energy in the bottoms of your feet, the energy tingling down the backs of your legs. Good. Going to the center of the chest. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. I'm feeling my jaw and my throat relaxing, and my shoulders. Good. Outside the body, we are tapping on the right side and the left side, hands width down from the armpit. Good. On the right side, we're releasing anger, and on the left, we're releasing worry. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You might have tears streaming down your face. You might be yawning. You might feel a sigh. Your chest is probably relaxing. These are all signs you're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system, where you're resting and digesting and healing. Speaking of which, your stomach might be gurgling, you might hiccup, you might burp. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So we just did one round of tapping, You can do as many rounds as you want. Good. Take a deep breath in and out, feeling more energy draining down from the back of the neck and spine, down to the legs. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Go to the top of the head. Good. This is so good that you're doing this for yourself right now. Makes me so happy. This is the first thing I would do if you're trying to heal. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. All healing is possible from the parasympathetic nervous system. This is why I'm such a huge proponent of tapping and other somatic releases. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Outside the eye. Good. Let's go under the eye. Good. And under the nose. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And under the lip. Good. Feeling the stress draining down behind my ears. That is actually the energy traveling down one of the meridian lines for stress. So that's a good thing. Take a deep breath in and out. When we're nervous, we often go like this, which is us trying to calm down that energy. Good. Right here, let's go underneath the collarbone. Good. Doing great. Good. Let's go to the center of the chest. Good. And the outside of the body. Good. That was 2 rounds of tapping. You can do more if you'd like. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to place our hands over our heart and we're going to hold it there for 20 seconds. This helps release oxytocin, which helps you to feel more bonded to yourself and others, as well as just get you deeper into that parasympathetic nervous system state, which helps you to rest, digest, and heal. All right, I love you. You're doing great. Keep tapping.